Robots are no longer just machines hidden inside factories. They are stepping out into the world, into our neighborhoods, and into our daily lives. A new chapter of human history has already begun, a future where robots live with us. Imagine walking down a street where robots help keep the city safe, patrolling parks, monitoring traffic, responding instantly when something goes wrong. These tireless guardians are designed not to replace human officers, but to take risks where humans shouldn't. Their goal is simple: protect lives and prevent danger before it happens. But robots aren't only here for security. They are becoming caregivers too. As our population grows older, millions of people will need help with everyday tasks. Robots can remind someone to take their medicine, carry heavy groceries, or call for help in an emergency. They can even provide companionship, a friendly voice, a presence that makes someone feel less alone. Some robots don't work inside homes. They help build them. New machines can 3D print entire houses, build skyscrapers with incredible precision, and inspect bridges before they become dangerous. They work in places that are too high, too hot, too risky for humans, and they work faster, unlocking cheaper construction and safer cities for everyone. But something bigger is happening. Robots are learning to blend into society, delivering packages right to our door, guiding people through hospitals and airports, helping children learn new skills, sharing space in shops, parks, and sidewalks. They are becoming our neighbors. Of course, this future also brings important questions. If robots are always watching, how do we protect privacy? Who takes responsibility when a robot makes a mistake? How do we make sure machines remain tools, not decision makers? Technology is powerful, but the choices we make now will decide whether robots become helpful friends or unwanted watchers. One thing is clear: robots will change the way cities feel. The sound of traffic replaced by autonomous vehicles, drones delivering items before we even leave the house, buildings that repair themselves, neighborhoods cleaner, safer, and smarter than ever before. A future city is rising, alive with intelligence, human intelligence, and artificial intelligence working together. We are entering a hybrid world, a world where robots handle the heavy labor, the dangerous rescues, the long hours, so people can focus on creativity, family, education, and living a better life. Robots won't replace us. They will live with us, work with us, grow with us, and the cities of tomorrow will be shaped by this partnership. Some people are excited, some are scared. Both feelings are valid. So the real question is, are we ready to welcome them? If you're excited about how robots will shape our future, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tell me, would you live next to a robot? Because soon, we all will.